So what's so special about BTV? Well, right off the top, it's quick, it's easy. The user interface does not get in the way of your creativity. If you have an idea, 2 minutes later, 3 minutes later, you're listening to your idea come back to you. It's built around a real-time recording concept. So you can start tapping out your idea, tapping out samples immediately. As soon as you have an idea, you can move at the speed of your inspiration. The technology enables you to get your ideas down, but does not get in the way. So who is BTV for? Well, I would say that it's simple enough for a beginner, but it's powerful enough for a pro. If you are a beginner and you're getting into it for the first time, well, the user interface is very easy. It's very simple. It doesn't get in the way of your creativity. Sounds are great out the box. You don't have to do a whole lot of sound design. And if you still need help learning it, then we have online tutorials that'll help you out. If you're a seasoned veteran and you got 20 years of experience like me, well, then you still don't want the interface to get in your way. You want to get on, you want to get your ideas out, you want to make music, you want to be inspired, and you want to hear your ideas coming back with you in 5 minutes. BTV does that for you. It doesn't get in your way, and it's powerful enough to give you a professional sound. I can put this on my Mac, I can take it on an airplane, I can hear an idea, I can get that idea down, and I get stuff that's good enough that I can go back into a studio with a Neve, with an SSL, I can plug directly in, and I can dump this stuff right into Pro Tools, right into Logic. I can continue my performance, I can continue my production. So, you know, no matter whether you're entry level and this is your first drum machine, this is your first program to make music, or whether you got, you know, decades in the game, I think you'll find BTV is going to be helpful in your production rig. So in terms of usefulness, BTV is as integrated or as self-contained as you would want it to be. Right here on my Mac Pro, I can just go with it just as it is, and I can access all the sounds from the front keyboard. Or if I want to, I can plug in an external keyboard controller and I can play chords and I can play keys with that. I can run it standalone, or I can also plug it into my DAW like Logic or Pro Tools or Live or Window. It's just a matter of how you want to integrate BTV into your setup. Do you want to use it as a scratch pad, standalone, or do you want to integrate it into your DAW and your existing system? It's all about the way that you want to use it.